I start this video, I just want to say thank you so much for the support. And we'll be doing one of these requests today. I hope you enjoy. And yeah, let's get on to the video. And the video I chose is Yandere Ray versus Yandere Norman versus Yandere Emma, ex-listener. So this is gonna be so much fun, and I hope you enjoy. Some calming music. Where's that coming from? Let's go check it out. Alright. I still hear it, but where is it coming from? Norman. Of course. He always liked making music. Oh, hey Emma. What are you doing here? I thought I closed the door and I put a chair over there. Well, why are you, you know they're mine. No, they're not. Yes, they are. No, they're not. Emma, you know they're not yours, they're mine. No, they're mine. I think I can settle this. They're mine. Ray! They're not yours, they're mine. Ugh. You know what? I hate you guys. You always try to steal things that aren't yours. What? No, we don't. Yes, you do. You always try to steal them from me. Well, that's because they're mine. Norman, they're mine. No, Ray, they're mine. No, they're mine. Mine! They're mine, Emma. Stop acting like a 5-year-old. Yeah, Emma, stop. I don't need a parrot, Norman. Oh, shut up, Ray. You're ridiculous. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, that gotta hurt. That gotta hurt. Your name. Where are you going? Night, your name. I guess we can be together, all 4 of us. But we just gotta erase her memory. Any of you have any ideas how to erase their memory? I guess if we hit her hard enough. or throw her from a high place. Ray, she might suffer from bad brain damage that she won't be able to memorize at least until 24 hours. We gotta be able for her at all times because someone could lie to her about that. You know what? Ray, what the hell is wrong with you? You're hopeless, Ray. What do you mean I'm hopeless? Well, you're the one who... You're the one who is the crazy one. You set the orphanage on fire. Emma, that was a part of the plan. Shut up, Norman! Anyways. Why are we still fighting over her after all these years? Easy. We all love her. It's so true, but yet it's so fatal. Oh my god, Emma, stop it. It's true though, Norman. Whatever. I'm just gonna let you know now, they're mine. Let's see about that. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, I don't mind, but you can subscribe if you want. I don't mind at all. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, bye.